Demonstrate each step to disassemble each stove component. Remove the guard. Use a wrench to loosen the nut at the bottom of the fire pit. Step 2. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides of the guard. Remove the ignition pin. Locate the ignition pin at the bottom of the fire pit and unscrew the nut. Then, take the ignition pin out from the hole and unplug the connecting wire. Disassemble the thermocouple. Unplug the ground wire. Please note, only concrete-like fire pits have the ground wire underneath. The woven and iron fire pits don't. After that, locate the thermocouple at the bottom of the fire pit and unscrew the nut on both sides. Finally, unscrew the golden copper valve at the bottom of the fire pit. Disassemble the pulse igniter. Unscrew the ignition button and remove the black nut by hand or wrench. And then take the pulse igniter out from the bottom of the fire pit.